Infiniti 66, your underpaid, undertrained, and underinsured mechanic. And this strip of videos is about basically replacing the entire interior lights on a Infiniti FX 35. I hope these videos are useful for you because, you know, sometimes it's nice to see a guide before you start tearing into things. But no one wants to break anything. It's tons of fun to find parts for these vehicles. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the videos. Alright, I'm going to show you how to replace this trunk light bulb. Now this one is not burned out, but I'm going to go ahead and take it apart and show you how to replace it, because I'll probably be here soon enough. Just taking a panel pulling tool and getting this loose, because it has two clips, one on the top and one on the bottom. You just get it loose like this, and then you unplug this little white clip. Okay, so let's go over this part. You got these little clips that you push in right here on the sides. I used, and there's a little screw right here that I couldn't take off in camera. You couldn't get an angle. You take that off, and I used this little flathead to push these plastic components in so you can get an angle on this. And just come through here, start getting things loose. Come around to the other side, and you just push those in, those little clips, and it will pop right out. See? And there you go. There's the bulb if you need to replace it. I don't know what this bulb is exactly because mine's still good. Okay. Now you take this little screw with a magnetic screwdriver. This makes it so much easier. And you just tighten it back in. And reinstall is just real easy. You put this little white clip back in. Oh, see, I already flipped the switch. But push it back in. Get the clip in. Boom, there you go. I'm just turning it off. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed.